Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we're constantly on the pulse of the electric vehicle industry. Today, we're looking at a fascinating development that could have big implications for players in China's EV market. China, with its vast resources and massive infrastructure investments, has been at the forefront of the global electric vehicle (EV) revolution. However, as it ramps up production to meet soaring demand, Beijing is also adopting policies designed to drive down costs, which raises concerns about a race to the bottom in terms of quality, safety, and environmental standards. We're seeing some Chinese EV manufacturers already testing the limits with features like reduced safety standards and less efficient batteries. But this isn't just a domestic issue, it's a global problem that will impact consumers worldwide. For instance, let's look at the case of BYD, one of China's largest automakers. The company has been expanding rapidly, but recent inspections by the Chinese government found instances of non-compliance with safety regulations and lower than expected fuel efficiency standards for some of its models. Now, you might wonder how this affects the global EV market, where brands like Tesla and others have set high standards for quality and performance. As countries compete to lure investors and drive growth, it's possible we'll see a wave of cheaper, but potentially less reliable vehicles flooding the market. That being said, there are still winners in this scenario. Companies that focus on innovation, efficiency, and safety might find themselves at the forefront of the industry, even as they weather increased competition from lower-cost producers. In fact, some Chinese manufacturers like SAIC and Geely are already investing heavily in technology and sustainability initiatives. So what does this mean for the future of the EV market? As we move forward, it's crucial that regulatory bodies and industry leaders prioritize quality and environmental standards over cost-cutting measures. By doing so, we can ensure that consumers get the vehicles they deserve, reliable, efficient, and safe, without sacrificing innovation or affordability. That's all for now from Electro Drive News. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story and other EV-related news that matters most to you.